Hey guys, this is Elias from EK Aviation 400 channel, and today we have a Boeing 737-800 in FlySunwing livery by engine models. FlySunwing offers schedule and charter services from Canada and United States from America to destinations within US, Mexico, Caribbean Sea, South Africa, Central America. They are doing mostly seasonal flights, I think, in Canada. Here's the box. Very nice. The only thing that really matters for me is that here the warning section, you can read it very clear. It says that it contains small parts. It's not suitable for children under 14 years old. It is for collectors, and you can see the age 14 plus here. Okay, it's a nice box. Inside the box is the plastic thing that protects the model, and here is the model. So let's have a closer look to see some details. In front of the nose we have a lot of sensors, a lot of details, as always from engine models. Very nice cockpit windows. We have the Canada flag. Also we have the first passenger door, the windows, the passenger windows, the logo FlySunwing.com here. We can see the two engines, the CFM56. On the wings we can see the wingtips here. On the left wing we have the red navigation light, on the other wing we have the green. Some emergency doors just in the middle. On the horizontal wing we have the logo of Sunwing. The last passenger door, I think they used mostly for catering. We can see the registration number, and just beneath we can see the Boeing logo, Boeing 737-800. The APU exhaust, it is detailed, very nice. On the other side we have the same things, plus we have some cargo doors right here and right here. We also have the Canadian flag. I like that the engines we have the FlySunwing logo also. Very nice colors. On here we have a lot of details. We have two antennas, one here and one here. The beacon, sorry. On the belly of the aircraft we have also a lot of details. Plus I like that the hats of the wheels. All the wheels are rolling, very nice, in the correct size. I like them very, very much. What else can I tell you? You can see it. Pretty much that was it, guys. If you have a Canadian airport, if you have an airport in the United States, it is a perfect addiction for that. I have a Canadian airport in my house. I'm representing Halifax Stanfield International, so Sunwing comes quite a lot of times during seasons, summer season mostly, Christmas season, to leisure destinations. I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned about more unboxing reviews from all manufacturers, and until the next time, guys, bye.